This is the location and command post of the occupiers is in Svatovo, and the aftermath of the arrival of two 227mm GMLRs M31A1 guided missiles. The Fregat plant in the city of Voskresensk is on fire, the largest plant for the production of secondary lead, which produces up to 40,000 tons per year. The fire is given the second degree of severity. So, mysterious fires across Russia are not stopping. Ukrainian soldiers captured Russian positions. This video is from Russian channel. Also, the video was mirrored and quickly deleted. The context is unknown. Soldiers of the 23rd Presidential Brigade fire from an American M240 machine gun in Bakhmut.
Давай, по готовности, как найдешь. Огонь.
Выстрел с пулемета!
Работай!
In Avdiivka, FGM 148 Javelin of the 110th Separate Mechanized Brigade pierces another Russian tank.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.